Oh, it's for heat dissipation.
And the other thing.
Heat dissipation. Heat dissipation.
36.
That guy looks good too. It's Pop Pop. It looks like Pop Pop's car. Frozen blue looks good. The 46 M3. Had one of those. I had one of those. That car was white. I had one of those. I like the classics. The classics are cool. Lots and lots of Beamers. Be alright. This is probably the biggest event I've seen here. The old 7 Series is kind of cool. Good for them. I think it's put on by the Houston Coffee & Cars group when they decided to just do one out here in BMW West. Since there's such a BMW contingency out here. There's Pop Pop. Neat stuff. It's pretty neat cars here today. So a couple E30 M3s. Gray. Red. And I don't think I've ever seen a wagon V10 M5 in the US. That's a pretty unique car. At least in person. I know they exist here, obviously. If you want to be unique, there you go. M2, Z3. Let me inside. Pop Up found a friend. Found a friend, same car as him. CSL trunk lid looks good. It's got the carbon air box in there too.